This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Harley Hensley. Wow, 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathroom home in a very small community minutes from everything. This home features a split bedroom plan, ceramic tile in most of the home and dark rich laminate flooring in what is now being used as the dining room. The updated kitchen features newer appliances, a eat-in area and plenty of cabinet storage. Both bathrooms are nicely remodeled. The master bedroom features a ceiling fan and a walk-in closet. The family room gets loads of natural lighting and access to the 4x16 laundry room. On top of all of this, the home is located on a cul-de-sac and has a huge private backyard. Located at the rear of the home there is a large 15x19 Florida room with 2 large French doors. The roof was replaced in 201. Call for your private appointment today. For more information, review the details below.